Welcome to Rochelle, Illinois. Meet Christoph. Meet Cameron.
Hi.
We are here in Rochelle. Moderate risk for severe weather today. We already have a confirmed tornado in Des Moines. This thing's about to begin. So, nice.
Yeah, feels like it's all here today.
It's all coming together.
Steven says, please be careful.
Steven, when have we not been careful? See, we're gonna see it to the north and to our west because we're gonna be on that bend that's right there, Maqueta.
Just met some Amadas out the right side.
This is on the leading edge, Mamadas. We are now getting into Dixon Sterling area. Dixon Sterling. You know how many tolls I'm gonna have on my record after today? Oh, what? Check out those cumulus at the top right there. Oh my goodness, again.
Oh my goodness.
That's your shelf starting to pop up on there. We'll be following this shelf all the way up the highway. I like that. Oh, oh, oh! What?
Okay.
I'm getting inside. Right when I said, hey, there's not much lightning on this thing.
Yeah.
Oh, heads up. Oh! Let's close the sunroof. Yeah, we probably should go. All right, I'm gonna get back head east. Let's not get struck by lightning today, you guys. So. Sorry, what'd you say? We almost.
Looks like it's gonna hit us, does it?
Yeah, I think so. It's pretty strong. I'm observing it right now. We've got 80-mile-per-hour winds on this thing out in Illinois.
Really?
Yep. So it looks like it could. It's gonna cross the lake probably around 10 p.m. and then continue across southwest Michigan through about 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I'll keep you guys posted. I'm live streaming right now, so.
On Michigan Storm Chasers?
On Great Lakes Weather on YouTube right now.
Great Lakes Weather?
Yep.
I'll have to look it up.
Sounds good. Look at how low that base is back there. All right, we're gonna have to pick it up. Look how close the shelf is. Check out the end of it. You can see the end of it right there. Woo!
Well, the thing that we thought looked like a funnel is officially gone, so I think we're clear there.
Yep, it faded away.
A tornado warning has been issued for Ogle County.
That's us. My glasses are fogging up.
Brother, I can't see a single thing. I literally can't see. Wow.
Wow, this thing is crazy. Oh, right there. That might be rotating. You see it? Okay. The rotation in there?
Right there, yeah.
It's right behind us. Uh-huh. Watch for anything that starts rapidly spinning in that. It's rotating right there.
What is that white thing down
Oh, that's interesting.
there?
That might be the city lights.
Oh, okay.
That's the city lights.
Going good? Doesn't look like it's rotating.
I don't know. It's shifting a little bit northward too. That is rotating. Check out your cumulonimbus up here. Watch it. The rotation's getting tighter. Oh, we got a vehicle. We gotta back up.
That's a picture I just took about 2 seconds ago.
Yeah, that area right there is rotating pretty fast. Rotation right here.
Yeah.
Rotation over here. That's got a little bit of a lowering right there. See?
Yeah.
Right in there. Okay, we should go. Let's go, guys.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Look at it.
It's getting lower at the base right there.
Yeah, you see it. Oh my goodness.
Wow. Dude, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. You think so? It might. Yeah, it looks like it might be. Wait, you gotta observe rotation. Good rotation on that.
Man, this is rotating so fast here.
Yes, it is. I can see that. We are probably near DeKalb at the moment.
Yeah, we're right south of.
It's still got that horseshoe shape,
Yeah.
rotating wall cloud right there. Lightning's gonna be our primary way of observing after this. Wait.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
intentional.
sorry.
It's intentional. It's
My bad.
intentional. You're good.
Look confused.
I know, it freaked me out for a second.
Yeah.
Okay, dude, I blame Illinois.
I blame Illinois.
So real.
Took too many notes from Michigan.
Alright, baby.
Here we go. We don't have much daylight left. Oh, is that MSC? Shelf is right there. Wow. I see that curvature right there. The little hook in there. I'm gonna back up so I can see it behind the... Everywhere you go. McDonald's.
What's that right?
Oh, wow. Yeah, you see that?
Yeah, right there.
What do we got right there?
Yeah, I don't know how well you guys can see here. The base is lowered a little bit right there.
Yep. It's very low. Lots now. The flashes are really starting to illuminate this cloud. It's getting. Check out the base on this thing right here.
Amazing how dark it is.
It's rotating right here.
Yep. Right here, guys. Just starting to rotate right here.
Yep.
It's very dark.
Shelf is about to pass over here too. Check out the lowers. There's a nice low point right there.
Cody, your dad's not updating.
Mind updating, guys? Okay. I'll have to look. Yeah, I'll have to look. Woo!
Yeah.
Massive shelf here. There's your sirens. Alright, I think it's time to start moving, don't you? I think it's time to move. Let's go. We gotta move fast. Watch your doors, they may blow. Whoa! Alright, time to go. Time to go. We out. Alright, can you hold these?
So fast.
The wind's picking up strong.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Get out of here. Dude, you see people flying out of this plaza.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Look at the wind whipping here. Let's test our gas mileage.
Woo.
Wow. Right here we got this going. Great.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
You can see that's like a UFO shit right there. For real.
Absolutely insane. My glasses are so fogged up. Look how low it is right there at the front of it.
Yeah.
The front end. Wow. So there's a kink right here and a kink right here. Those are the areas on this storm that are rotating. That one has a pretty stark dip in it. I'm a little concerned about that area right there.
Dude, you can see it coming towards us.
Wow. See the rising motion on the side of it right there?
Oh yeah. Oh, that is.
Watch the base of that. We want to see if there's something there. Wow. Look how low that is over there to our left.
We got a blowover car here. It's on the ground. It's on the ground. CC drop like no other.
Yep, CC drop. We got a tornado on the ground west of Aurora. If you live in Aurora, you need to take cover. That's a tornado.
It's moving just slightly northeast. It's following the highway. We got enough distance so we can probably see it.
Yeah, hospital might be a good spot to pull over right here.
They have an escape route because there's two coming at us. Let's just make sure we can hop right back on.
Cumulonimbus up there. Yeah. Okay, someone needs to keep a close eye on radar. I think it is within 10 miles though. Anyway.
Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. Terrifying, but gorgeous.
I really don't like where we're at. No, we don't see anything. There's too many buildings. We should probably get back on the road. It's getting close. We gotta go. Yep. All right, we gotta go fast. There's your CC drop, Oswego. Oh, we gotta get on the highway. We've gotta go. All right, let's get out of here.
Guys, it's close. CC drop is right on us almost. The velocity's lagging.
Yep, we gotta move.
Guys, if this light doesn't turn in time, we got an escape route to our right there. At least that's going a different direction.
Yep. Come on, dude. There's a tornado. Watch our left. Watch our left. It should be right there. If anything, it's right there.
Continue for half a mile.
All right, we made it. Let's book it. We are not. Got it.
Easy peasy.
Yep. We made it. We did outrun it. It could be right to our left though. He's been out. Whoa. What's that? Okay. I'm waiting for a radar update. I mean, there's been no radar update.
Power flashes.
Power flashes. Power flashes. Here, take my stream camera. You want it? Oh my god.
Oh.
Is it really there?
3 o'clock's here, 4 o'clock's right there. It's right there.
It's right there. All right, we're going fast.
Oh.
Oh my word.
Alright, so it wants to take us
You can roll the window down if you want.
east, and then we'll go north, and it wants to take us south on I-20.
Oh my gosh, that is a.
Is it there?
90% sure it's there.
Oh my god.
Oh, that is huge. It looks like a cone to me.
I gotta watch the road. I'll check the stream later. Oh my gosh, yeah, I see it on stream. Tornado. That's a tornado.
It's literally still there. Just sitting there. You can still see that.
I see the CC here.
Yeah, it's still dark. Like 5 o'clock now. So we're ahead of it by a lot.
That's what we have to do. We have to stay out of it.
Oh my gosh.
As long as there's no traffic up here.
Oh, I got that one.
Yep, you guys just keep looking. I gotta watch the road.
Oh, huge power flash back there.
Power flash?
Yeah, huge, very huge. Oh, another one. We'd have to do it when we go south.
Okay, we're gonna cut south on a highway coming up. It might give us a view.
Guys, 5 more miles until we cut south.
5 more until we go south?
Yes,
5 more miles.
294,
Alright,
5
we're
miles
good.
from here.
They reported significant tornado on the ground in Naperville, which is where we just came from.
Wow.
We saw that
We
thing.
dodged a significant tornado.
Oh, I think that was another power flash? I couldn't tell.
Get a good visual as we drop south.
Oh.
Extended the observability all the way to the lake.
Alright, 1 more mile.
Chicago.
All right, include Chicago Metro now.
We want to try and get a look at it while we got some distance that's on the ground.
Ah, you hear the sirens.
Wow. So it should be right straight over there.
So if you live in one of those tornado warnings, take it seriously. It's not your typical situation. There is a large tornado on the ground.
Driving and I just...
Massive tornado. I sent it in the chat, dude. That would have hit us. That was tracking exactly where we were.
Thank God we moved.
Amen.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. I kept saying 3, 4 o'clock. It was hard to see with the naked eye, but from behind video, it was a lot clearer.
Yeah.
For a while. Semi POV. Oh yeah.
All right, now that's the plan, so we can get a visual.
Could be to...
Checking in, you guys good?
We're good. We got 100 miles from Scottsdale Road. It says we're just blasting south because we got 600.
Right. Yeah, it's definitely gonna catch up to us if we pull off anywhere. It seems like this area that is now to our west has picked up speed a little bit.
That was
What
a
was...
far flash.
Yeah, right there.
Way. Yeah, so just keep left, we'll be fine.
Did you see that flash out ahead of us?
Let's go.
Power
Yeah.
flash. Yep, I just saw another one.
Oh,
Power
my
flash. Flossmoor, Homewood, Hazel Crest. Take cover. Look how low this is right here. Can you see it in the light?
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my gosh, the base. Yep. There it is. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Holy mackerel. That is a... I can see it. Can you see it?
Yep. Yep.
Large
we got
tornado.
it. We got it.
Very large tornado. Homewood. Flossmoor, you need to take cover. Large tornado. Oh, power just flickered. Power just flickered. Yeah, this is a totally different tornado. Did you see the power just flicker right here?
Oh yeah, right there. Looks like...
Thank you, Christoph. Oh man, I wish I could. I'm gonna have to look at all this footage you're getting. Unreal.
I didn't know that was a whole different tornado in my
That is a
opinion.
different tornado. That's a completely different tornado.
I was like, oh, that thing really rapidly grew, and I'm like, that thing's really big.
we are in an incredibly. this is an
Yeah,
incredibly
see, you can still
dangerous storm.
see where it's going down at over there. Basically, all where it's lit up is just.
We're getting out pretty far ahead of this now. Look, there's just a tornado warning all through northwest Indiana. They've issued it further south now too. We just made it. We just crossed into Indiana. Multiple tornadoes occurring at the same time. Oh no! Did it?
More power flashes back there. Power flashes about at our 5 o'clock. It's right, all that red.
All right, this thing is pretty far behind us now. I'm thinking maybe it might just be better to just go for the lake. Chesterton's not really have much of an open area, I'm sure.
Yeah, since we're only 60 miles from Benton Harbor, so.
Oh, that is true.
Real fast.
I'm glad I parked this way because the rain would be going into my gas tank if I didn't. Oh my word.
Oh,
Sheets. What in the world?
there it is.
That's insane.
We just did 12 hours of chasing. Christoph, how do you feel? Cameron, how do you feel?
So cold now. I'm wearing
We're doing good. We're gonna go get some crispy, crunchy chicken. Oh, that scared me. Oh, nice play. Oh,